Don't remember playing with this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zara. If you're new here, you're welcome. I hope you click the subscribe button before the end of this video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a first impression unboxing of a Ghanaian skincare brand. So, and also if you want me to do a video on how you can send a PR package, leave a comment down below. The skincare brand I'm going to be unboxing today is called Nokware, which means truth in a local Ghanaian language. So, and Nokware is a 100% natural skincare brand, which I love. So if you've been following me for quite a while, you know that I love skincare. So, and I've been incorporating skincare brands, skincare products that are owned by Black women, and quite so far I've been amazed, and I love them. So we have to support each other, right? So I got sent this PR package. I got sent this package. I don't know if you can see clearly. So they sent me this package, so I decided to review it with you guys since it's my first time. I've never done this kind of video, so it will be quite nice to hear. Their packaging, their containing, and everything is so nice, and truly, and I'm always a person that how you package your products is the first thing that catches my eye. So this is really nice. Oh, it has this little quote on it. It says a special delivery from Earth to you. So we have quite a lot. This is how. So it has this card that says tap this card over for instructions on how to use your Nokware skincare product. So this is on how to use your skincare product. So they put a card for you, which is quite amazing. So, and okay, another card on how you can reuse their containers. And yeah, so I've been following them on Instagram for quite a while now, and I love their packaging. Their packages of wooden, which it's so quite amazing and unique. So the packaging, wow, it's one of the things that caught my eyes. Like, it's unique, it's wooden, like it's different from other brands packages, so it's really great actually, and I think you can reuse this in another way. So okay, the first here is, I'm not sure if you can see this, guys. Can you see? This is the Shea Butter with aloe vera. So and it says for all skin type and hair. Aloe vera Shea Butter is your one-stop skincare solution. It heals sunburns, accelerates wounds healing, fights acne, reduces acne, and lightens blemishes. Throw some on your scalp and it will promote healthy hair growth and prevent dandruff. Yeah. And since we use raw natural aloe vera gel, you are guaranteed all of these benefits plus some extra glue from our secret formula, because you know Nokware is all about that glue, right? And the scent they use, it says a delicate sweet orange with a tint of mint. So my skin type is dry, so that was why I'm really happy to try this Shea Butter with aloe vera gel. The weather, I think it's soon going to be cold, so I think this would be a great use during the cold seasons. We are going to open it, and it has this lid. Wow, I'm not sure if you can see. So this smells heaven, guys. Just like they have said, it smells orange, it smells like a candy that I want to eat. Can you see how smooth? This is so smooth, like a butter, guys. It's really smooth, and the texture, and it's already melting, and it's very smooth, soft. It has that like cloudy softness, like I'm touching a cotton wool. So let's try it on my hand and see how fast it can dissolve. So I'm trying it here. Okay. I think this is gonna be my favorite skincare butter for the moment. Guys, look at my palm, look at my hands. This definitely is for me. Look at how soft It's very soft. The smell, the texture, everything about it, it's so great. Oh, I already smell like candy. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite butters, and I'm be really glad to have it sold. And I think I'll be doing a review on. I'll try give this try. I give it a try for a few weeks, and see how it goes, and I'll let you know. And I'll be doing a skincare routine using their products. So keep a watch out. Another goodie. So I think this is okay, hydrating lip butter. This is also quite amazing, guys. So it's a vanilla hydrating lip butter. So look at how the casing is also really great. This smells like, it smells somehow vanilla and chocolatey at the same time. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It's so soft, guys. It's really so soft, and I love the scent of this. So this will also it I think I'm going to be putting this in my handbag wherever I'm going. I'm taking this with me. And about the vanilla lip balm, is sweet, warm, and familiar scents. These are just a few of the feelings we wanted to evoke with our power. A put honey vanilla lip butter. It will leave your lips feeling soft and fill your nostrils with the sensation of being wrapped in the scent of fresh vanilla cake from the best bakery in your neighbor. This is so true, guys. It's very soft, just like you saw me applying, and it leaves that sense of vanilla that it's making me crave of a cake. It's definitely, I think I'm gonna go back and get more when I'm done trying this. So this is, I think this is gonna be my second favorite lip butter, apart from the one I used from Zaron Cosmetics. So I think this will add to the list. You know, I really love aloe vera, and aloe vera is like my go-to for all skincare, my all skincare remedies, like all skincare issues. I use aloe vera on my hair, on my skin. So yeah, I think I'm gonna love this. It has aloe vera. I have never tried anything with neem oil, so I'm really excited to give this a try. It says the African black soap cleanser is more than just a cheeky named facial cleanser. It is infused with neem oil, hemp seed oil, vitamin E, aloe vera gel, and other natural extract. So I think I'm gonna love this cleanser. After I had a breakout, so I had these dark spots which I've been trying to get rid of. Definitely some have gone. You can leave a comment if you want me to share on which facial marks I've been using to clean my dark, to get rid of my dark spots. So I'll try this and see how it goes. So have you noticed that all their packaging is made of wood, which is quite amazing actually. I really love it. So it's so cute and unique. Who remember playing with this? Oh, this is so much fun. With the moringa oil, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see the moringa oil? You have to squeeze 1 or 2 drops into your palm and massage truly into your face after washing, and apply at night only. And you can also use it for your skin, face, and for your hair. These are all the products I got sent from Nokware, which I'm really glad to give a try out. Down at the description box, I'm gonna leave the link to their website, and also I think where you can also find them here in Nigeria. Actually, there are shops that supply this, so you can also buy from them here in Nigeria, you guys. So I got a discount code for you for 10% discounts, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, hope to see you in my next one. So yeah, bye.